Jeff.
Hey, start already. Okay, hi, my name is Jeff. 20 this year. Yeah, I did. I love to act, swim, read books, music, technology. Thank you.
Okay? I told you stop hanging out with my daughter, right?
You think you short and scared, is it? Who do you think you are?
Do you know what time it is now?
What time? See your clock lah, uncle. Cannot see ah. See lah.
Get out! Out!
Who do you think you are to talk to me like that? I'm your dog, is it? Huh?
You're worse than a dog. Even dogs don't behave like you.
See, uncle, your daughter loves me. And what's wrong with that? There's nothing wrong with that, okay?
Nothing wrong with that.
Nothing wrong.
You're such a bad influence on her. I don't even know what Sharon sees in you. You hooligan.
I'm a hooligan. Even my parents don't call me that. Who do you think you are? You own self can't control your daughter. It's not my problem, uncle. It's yours. It's not mine. Okay? Get it?
Andrew, go home. Message you later. Go home.